Docker on the Ubuntu server on AWS machines. So first I'm going to launch an instance. I'm just giving the name for the server as Docker, and I'm choosing the flavor as Ubuntu, and I'm taking the uh, version is 20.04 LTS, and I'm choosing free tier, and I have already some key pairs, so I choose the existing key pair. So for Docker, for we need only SSH, that is enough. So I'm giving as it is default allow SSH. If you want, you can make it as all TCP open. If you want, you can do that also. And I am choosing the storage as 8 GB, that is enough. And I am just launching the instance. So we need to wait until this pending status become as a running status. Now you can see that pending status become as a running status, and it is under initialization. The 2x2 check need to get passed. We need to wait. System check and instant check both are get passed. So I'm going to log in the server. I copy the public IP and changing the appearance for better view. Connection time I changed as 240, and I have the key pair. So I logged in. It is a Ubuntu server. I'm switching as a root user. So once you logged in, you need to update the things. Sudo apt-get update -y. So it's getting updating. So now it's got updated. I'm clearing the screen. Now you need to install Docker. For the command sudo apt install docker.io. Yes, we need to wait. The progress is 97%. So it's got completed. I'm clearing the screen. So now how you confirm Docker is installed or not? You need to use a command docker info. So you can see that containers 0, running 0, and nothing is running currently. So like that you can install Docker. Thanks for watching.